Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert pictures on MS Word. So for that, we just need to open MS Word. After opening it, here I'm just going to create a new blank document. And for adding pictures here, here on the top you can see here menu options, and here as an option you can see here insert, click on that. And from here as an option you can see here pictures, click on that. And from here you can just choose the option that you want, right? And here I'm just going to put the picture in from my device. And after selecting the picture, you can see that here the picture had came. And if you just want to decrease the size of the image, then you can do it like this. So this is how you can insert picture on MS Word. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.